Prime Minister Narendra Modi will reply to the motion of thanks on the President's address at around 3:30 p.m. in the Lok Sabha today. The Reserve Bank of India today increased the repo rate under the Liquidity Adjustment Facility by 25 basic points to 6.50% with immediate effect. The first Tourism Working Group meeting officially kicked off at Dordo in Gujarat today in the presence of Union Minister for Fishery Purushottam Rupala, Union Tourism Minister G. Kishan Reddy and Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel. Union Education Ministry has asked the Controller and Auditor General of India for a special audit of the implementation of PM Poshan scheme in West Bengal. The emergency relief assistance sent by India to Syria was handed over to the Deputy Minister of Local Administration and Environment at Damascus Airport this morning.